Thank you for purchasing the NicoBloc pack and for using our product to help you take control of your smoking at your own pace. NicoBloc traps up to 99% of tar and nicotine in normal filter cigarettes, without noticeably affecting the taste or smoking experience. NicoBloc is the result of over 10 years research and development. And it is also important to remember that NicoBloc fluid is made from 100% food-grade ingredients and does not contain nicotine or any other drug. Let's look at how to apply the NicoBloc fluid to your cigarette. 1. Open the cap on the bottle, then make an indentation in the filter of your cigarette with the nozzle. 2. Gently squeeze 1 drop of NicoBloc fluid into the filter. 3. Use the nozzle to spread the fluid so that it covers the total filter surface. 4. Squeeze the filter a few times. This helps it to absorb the fluid. Then 5. Light the cigarette and take a strong first draw. Then smoke the rest of the cigarette as usual. To receive the maximum benefit of the NicoBloc fluid, the following procedure is recommended. In week 1, use 1 drop of NicoBloc fluid on each cigarette smoked. 1 drop blocks up to 33% of tar and nicotine. For week 2, use 2 drops of NicoBloc fluid on each cigarette smoked. 2 drops blocks up to 66% of tar and nicotine. And for week 3 and onwards, use 3 drops of NicoBloc on each cigarette smoked, as 3 drops blocks up to 99% of tar and nicotine. A couple of things to remember. When applying 2 or 3 drops, which would be week 2 or 3 onwards, repeat the application procedure a second or third time as required, rather than putting on double or triple size drops. NicoBloc fluid must be used just prior to smoking each cigarette. For example, you cannot put the fluid onto all your cigarettes in a pack in one go. NicoBloc works by gradually weaning you off nicotine addiction without causing any additional craving for more cigarettes. While using this product, it's important to use NicoBloc on all cigarettes. Otherwise, you will increase your nicotine levels back up. Research with over 800 smokers in a 2-year study has provided the following reduction strategy as a comfortable method for most smokers. If you want to go at a slower pace, that's fine. But we would strongly recommend that you don't try to go at a faster pace, since you need to give your body time to adjust to the lower levels of nicotine so as to not experience the usual withdrawal symptoms commonly associated with rapid reduction of nicotine intake. Starting with your average number of cigarettes per day, say 20, aim to reduce this amount by 1/5, in this example to 16, by the end of the first week of using 1 drop of NicoBloc. Then using 2 drops of NicoBloc, aim to reduce this amount by 1/4, for instance down to 12, by the end of the second week. Now using 3 drops of NicoBloc, aim for a reduction of 1/3, now down to 8, by end of week 3, and a reduction of 1/2 by the end of week 4, down to 4 cigarettes, but still using 3 drops. Keep using 3 drops and reducing consumption by 1/2 in subsequent weeks until you are down to just a couple a day. At this level of smoking, and now used to just 1% of your previous level of nicotine, many smokers find that stopping smoking at this stage is very achievable. Our website has an easy-to-use ready reckoner that can help you do these calculations based on your actual smoking patterns. And at the back of your NicoBloc booklet, you will find a daily record chart which you can use to keep a record of your progress, which should help provide a strong motivational factor in helping you to stay off cigarettes. If you have any further questions about NicoBloc, please visit our website at www.nicobloc.com, where you should find all the information you're looking for.